Okay, so we had configured the traffic source Postback, but to be able to send the Postbacks to the traffic source, we need to get these Postbacks, we need to get info about event from the offer. So that's why, to be able to get the postback from the offer, we need first to send a click ID to the offer. So the offer will send it back to us. So I have this URL is offer, and I need to append, let's say, click ID equals, and that's what the volume tells you when using postback URL for conversion tracking. Add the click ID token to the offer URL, and this parameter name, you need to talk with the client about the postbacks and what is parameter name that you need to send a click ID. So if I use my testing page as offer, where is it? Lent, it's lent, here it is. So it doesn't matter what parameter name I will use, I need to add the click ID to be able to get it. So I hit save, and let's back to our campaign. Vendors, campaign, copy link, and go to the offer page. So as you can see, there is our click ID has this value. So in general, what's going on under the hood when conversion happens? When conversion happens, it sends you the postback. Where is it? Copy. It's optional, like that. And let's make postback manually right from our browser. So as you can see, response is status 200, which means that all is fine. And if we will back to the offer name, or to the offer or campaign tab, now we will see first conversion. We need, so here is our campaign, and here is our first conversion. So that's how it works. So just so you understand, you need to provide the postback for the client, and the client needs to tell you which parameter name you need to use for the click ID. So when conversions happens, the client platform will send a postback with this click ID back to your volume, and volume will send the postback back to your traffic source with another click ID, because it's this click ID is your volume click ID, and volume will send the postback to the platform with platform's click ID. So that's how it works. Also, it's possible to send the conversion value to the volume with parameters like payout and transaction ID, like that. But just for simplicity, you need to understand that postback needs to contain the click ID. And this click ID first you need to send to the platform, client's platform. Client's platform will save it, and when conversions happen, they will append this click ID to the postback.